The video stopped. The video unfortunately stopped. Okay, guys. Apparently, username SG1_soccer has made 29 subscribers. Congratulations! Wow, you remember that one kid from YouTube? Wow. Bro, I need a little knife. No knife. I could use my ID. Okay, that's not doing anything. What if I use my old ID? This is my current ID. I know I treat it like trash because obviously I don't like this ID. Yo, stop falling. Crash out. Here's my wallet. So let's just use my old ID. And yeah, here's my old ID. This is AJ Lore. Look, you'll see it. You guys can barely see it, but that was me, my 2018 year of school. Honestly, I kind of look like my friend. Shout out to Josiah. He's been a real homie. Damn, bro. You sit down right there, and I do the work. But yeah, I dug into the crevice of this iPad, and so far, I reached up to the battery, and then doesn't look good. So I'm gonna try taking off the back plate with the ID. And I'm trying not to make contact with the battery because it's barely 2 minutes. I'm not trying to make any contact with the battery because it might explode. At my grandma's house, they have like a lot of old phones, like up to iPhones. And then I would always get one of them, and me and my sister would act like we're repairing them when we're actually destroying them. So, holy crap, technology is wild, my guys. Technology is wild. Be wildin' nowadays. Yo, I could use all of this for... Now it's just an empty shell. Yo, I could remove the battery, but without wiretapping. No, I'm joking. Yo, guys, rate my new tablet on a scale of 1 to 10, bro. Bro, okay, so we got the back plate off, and we got the camera lens off. So let's see how the camera lens looks like. Horrible. The camera quality looks horrible. Is that tape? Is that like Drake? What? No, please don't catch on fire. Please don't catch on fire. Please don't catch on fire. Yo, all this is just tangled, but they just put on tape. Oh wow, thank you. Okay, so thanks to my old ID, we got through. And technology is wild nowadays, because I cracked the back, cracked the front, and I'm trying to get this off. What is this? This be tripping. Imagine you seeing a three-year-old playing Roblox or something. They're like, oh yeah, do you guys have my new laptop, man? Taiji. Wait, what? Yo, I could use these as woofers. Wait, what? Oh, this is a magnet, bro. This is a magnet. Yo, I could give off energy. Subwoofers. Wait, what do you call them? Like subwoofers or something? But yeah, I could use these as, I could use these speakers as a new audio sound. I was using this tablet. was using this tablet for editing and all. So, yeah, let me go get this battery out of this one. I have the thick one, so let's just use it and see what happens. Nothing. So, can I? Yo, this is an A6 chip right here, my guy. Is this electrical tape? I think this is. I could remove this, but like, I thought that was my firearm. Oh my gosh, bro, technology is wild. I know what I could do with this tape. This is electrical tape, and one time I put electrical tape on my face thinking that it was a mustache, and I looked like Hitler. And yeah, I looked like him, and when I took it off, it left a big mark, making me look like a terrorist and a Jew. So never trust electrical tape, guys. If you see black tape and you want it to be a mustache, don't get it, because it might make you look like Hitler. And just put tape right here. Yeah, that's tape, right? Yeah, that's tape. Okay, yeah, I put that right here. Yo, that's the memory chip. Yo, I'm unstoppable. I can feel the power. Okay, it's tape. This was tape. Wait, no, bruh. Do you hate it when you get tape and then you like try use something and it's like this, it ends up like that, and you can't get it out? That's what I hate. Now I got it out. So. Wait, is that glass? That is glass. Oh no, that's chips of deodorant. Because I don't know what happened. But never mind. I don't think this needs. Oh no! What is he doing? So for tomorrow, I'm gonna be recording with breaking this technology, but without the battery, because I need it. Wait, where's that part? Where's that part? Yeah, it's this part. I need it. Oh my gosh, I hate hiccups. Oh my goodness, I hate the slap. Okay, so now I got the speaker, because I'm technology AJ now. I'm literally just basically a Walmart ripoff of Tech Joyce. So not offensive. Okay, I'm not trying to start a war. But I just saw smoke, bro. I'm dead. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm dead. My house is burning, so just wish me luck for now.